Okay, now that we've got our system level and plumb, the next thing we're going to do is fasten the cleats to the studs. How we do this, we've already pre-installed the cleats already by locating where the studs were. From the rail, we transfer the location onto the cleat, and then we snap our cleats into place in all 4 sections here. So now we're going to go ahead and pre-drill a hole into the cleat. I've got a countersink bit already installed onto this driver right here. I've already marked where the stud locations are. I'm going to go ahead and start drilling those holes where the studs are, and then I'm going to go ahead and pilot another hole that's going to drill into the metal studs here to make it a little easier to drive the screw in. So go ahead and get started right here. Go ahead and put them in. All the screws that we use are self-tapping screws for that matter, and they'll sink the head all the way in, but it's kind of nice to go ahead and pilot a hole, which is what I'm doing here, into the cleat itself. And where I'm drilling these holes correspond to where the stud location is that we located up above. Go ahead right in here. And just try to get to the center of the cleat as best you can. It's not, you don't have to be perfect out. Then we're going to go through and put some cover caps on those. Do this. Okay, now I'm going to pilot a hole through into the metal stud, which will make it a little easier to screw this. There we go. Okay. Last one here. Okay, now that we've done that, the next thing we're going to do is grab our screws and go ahead and secure the system to the, the cleats to the studs. Grab our screws right here, and we'll go ahead and screw those in. These impact drivers are really nice. Not necessary, but just make it so much easier to drive a screw. Here we go. And the last one here. And that's it. So now the installation is complete. So the next thing we're going to do is put some cover caps on, adjustable shelves, drawers, and we'll be finished with the job.